Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to the video today. In today's video, we're going to talk about it. I'm going to show you, as you see here, how you can get 100 leads per day in the make money online niche, the biz op niche. I know something you've been wanting, 100 leads per day. This program can definitely help you because I want you to crush it in 2020 by getting 100 leads per day. So if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos all the time to give you the value to grow your business when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and let's talk about it. Getting 100 leads per day in your business, even if you're a new person or a veteran member of the online business space. Now, when I first got online, I didn't have any of this. It was no someone doing a video of how I can get 100 leads per day, $1 per day. So you'll pay $30 per month for 100 leads per day. So think about that. 100 leads per day for 30 days. You know, that is, what's that, what, 3,000 leads? You know, so that's quite a bit of leads because that's 700 per week. Times 4, that is 2,800 leads, right? Yeah, 2,800, 700, 1,400, 20, yeah, 2,800 leads. Yeah, about 3,000 leads per month. So right below this video, I do have a link for you can go ahead and sign up, and you can go ahead and get started of your 100 leads per day. Remember, you'll pay $30 to get those per month, and you pay a $30 setup fee. That's a one-time fee. But think about it, $1 for 100 leads, that is a dream. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and log in. So right when you click on the link below, you'll go ahead and get started. And as you see here, I already have my username and password because I already have a membership already with My Lead Gen Secrets. But if this is your first time here, you'll go ahead and sign up for a new account right down there. So this program here is called the My Lead Gen Secrets, where it's basically getting leads from the internet, giving it to you, which is about 100 leads per day. This is awesome. So this is something that if you're a beginner or even existing business owner, you can always use leads, especially in the make money online niche, the biz op niche. This is what it's designed for, really. So just to be really front and honest with you, is for the make money online niche, the biz op niche. Now, I really like the My Lead Gen Secrets because not only you get 100 leads, but you got to think about that. Now, I've heard mixed reviews about, well, some of the leads are good, some of the leads are bad. I'll be honest with you. I think the leads they don't know who you are, and you have to warm them up. What I mean by warming them up, you need to send emails out to them on a daily basis that's basically talking about who you are, what type of service you are, what type of service you have, what type of product you have, and what you can do to help them. They will get to know, like, and trust you, and over time, they'll be able to go ahead and buy from you. So it takes time. It may not take us time. Results are not typical, but I have made sales through My Lead Gen, and I believe you can do it too if you work the system. So right here on the front page here on the dashboard, you'll see everything line up right across the board. And on the bottom here, it does say that I've earned 100 leads, 200 leads yesterday, and 100 bonus leads. Now, how you get the bonus lead, you get your first sale. So the first sale you get, as long as they become a customer throughout the program per month, you will get a bonus lead. So that's 200 leads per day. That's powerful. So right here, it does show all your recent mailing that you've done over the course of probably about your last 10 emails, right? And it shows you statistics, 445 open. It shows your clicks, your open rate, and your click-through rate as well. So here also, this is something that you probably want to see, a quick start video to learning how to quickly and use this system. I highly recommend you see this. It's a quick video. I'm going to go ahead and play it. It's a quick video to explain to you pretty much what I'm explaining to you now, but this is a little bit more from a different angle exactly how the system works. So if you need like another voice, if you need somebody else kind of guiding you other than myself, go ahead and watch this video, and this person will go ahead and break it down to you as well. It's about a 4-minute video, so I highly recommend watching that if you just want more value. You know, there's nothing wrong with value, especially when you're going ahead and investing to something. You definitely want to know what's going on. Now, let me go ahead and show you what this dashboard is. Now, first here is my leads, which is basically easy to know and understand because it's called my leads. My leads here, and it shows you the dates when the leads are actually hitting your system here, which is very, very cool. Now, it says 200 leads will appear in 2 hours and 26 minutes. So in 2 hours and 26 minutes and 18 seconds, there's going to be another 200 more leads being added into the system for me to go ahead and email to those customers. So the system automatically updates it without you doing anything. It's like autopilot. Like, okay, we're going to send you 200 leads today, 200 leads tomorrow, and 200 leads the next day per day. Powerful. Powerful. Come on now. Think about it. $1, 100 leads, or $1, 200 leads when you get that first sale. That first sale, and they stay into the system, that's 200 leads, $1. I don't care. You cannot beat that about getting leads. I don't care if half the leads are like, oh, they're not responding to my emails, but the other 20 could be. So think about it. 200 leads, $1. That is unbelievable opportunity for you. And it's a good way of just introducing yourself and building up your business. Now, honestly, this is bonus now. The master email swipes gives you pretty much an angle and information of what to email to them. Now, the system gives you about 30 master swipes to you to promote, and it gives you some different ideas of what to email. Like this one right here, $830 this weekend, and it gives you a email body of a swipe, an email swipe that tells you exactly what it is. Now, you can use this swipe or you can make up your own swipe. In the beginning, I highly recommend using the swipe in the beginning. That way you kind of understand exactly what type of emails you need to send to your list, and everything is set up for you. They even put your name in here. They even put your name in there. All you have to do is copy this and paste it in when you go ahead and email your actually list. So you get 30 of those there. I believe that's an extra pay, but come on now, 30 emails. I will go ahead and take advantage of that as well. So, and here's the mailing system of where this is where you'll mail from your list here. So you would want to go ahead, click on mailing system, and right here it says choose mailing type. Now you can do by the date or by the lead partner. Now I pretty much recommend using by the date. It's just easy to understand. That way you can understand what date is being sent over, and they only do up to 9,000 at a time. So once you get a certain amount, many, they're not going to hit all of them. So what I highly suggest you to do is, what you can do here, let me go back to my leads. I'll show you something. You can go ahead at the bottom here. You actually can click on the box here. Let's say you can download them right here. So if you click on the box here, just click on these two boxes, you can click on download. It will download the leads into an Excel spreadsheet, and you'll have those leads right here. You see how it's downloading right here? It's downloading those leads, and when I click on the Excel spreadsheet, it's going to bring out the leads that I highlighted on the box here, right over here, like these two here, and I downloaded them there, and it's going to go ahead and I have them. So that is a really good strategy to do. Download your leads, that way you have them as well, because the mailing system only takes so many they can mail out. So let me go back to the mailing while that's downloaded right now. And the mailing system here, 9,000 of 40,700. So that's how many leads that I have into the system. But when I go ahead and select all, let me say, when I go ahead and select it, I can select them all over there. Let me select them all. So when I select them all, it's going to go ahead and email all these leads. Now I've already emailed my list for the day already, so it's not going to allow me to do it. So that's one thing. It only allows you to email once per day, not twice a day, just once a day if you're using it directly through here. Now also you can take those leads that I just showed you here, download them, and you can download them and import them into an autoresponder, or you can email them from your Gmail account. you can do that as well. Obviously, because your leads. You get 200. Well, actually, you'll start out with 100 and then 200 after you get that first sale. And then from here, you're sent from. This is basically going to be in the from box. So you can either use one of these two. I normally use the top one here, but you also can use this one as well if you don't want to put your name in the from box from the email standpoint. For that way, the customers won't know what your name is, at least right here, but they'll know it right here. They'll know Adam Shelton, and here's like a email address that they use as well. Save emails. Any saved emails you have, that if you emailed the system before, it will collect it here and you can go ahead and load it in. So let's say I'm going to use breaking news for you. I can click on load and it automatically loads the subject line, and it also loads in the actual email as well, which is really, really cool. But that's only good when you've done a couple of emails already. You can go ahead and load in previous emails, and it does make it a little bit faster if you want to send that email that you used before. Now, these are a little bit personal details that you can use, kind of like codes. They're like codes, and they're optional. You can put like the name and the fix, and you can actually put that in your subject line. So if you want to be personalized, to your customer, it will pull out their first name. So if you took this out and you paste it there, it will bring up their first name in the subject box, and the same thing, and also in the body as well. You can also copy and paste it there as well, which is really, really cool. If you want to personalize their name, you can do that as well. And this is also a video here that the person that created this, that actually talks about a little bit about how you email him. And what he does talk about is that you don't want to use any tracking links, no click magic links. You don't have to track anything added in, because the system automatically tracks your progress. It tracks your click rates, it tracks your open rates, it tracks your click-through rates. So it automatically tracks what you need, so you do not have to add any more additional tracking inside the system, which is really, really cool. And this is the email that we were talking about a little bit earlier. You can take this same email here, and just type in a basic email. You can use the email swipes if you need to, and go ahead and use that. And then the perfect timing means that it pretty much predicts when people actually opens them. So if you click on perfect timing, it predicts, okay, this customer might open up at this time. The system automatically knows the projection of when that person will open it based on the historic data, historic activity, which is cool. I use this a lot, mainly because I want to mail the email to a customer when a system believes that he or she will open it. So that's basically how that works. Is your email, you type in the email. These are your basic information, your bold, your italics, your underline, your basic way of writing an email. And then this shows me right here, the timer is that I can't send any more email until this time goes to 0, because I've already sent one earlier today. So that is the mailing system here. The stats is kind of like we were talking about in terms of tracking. So the stats are really cool because it definitely shows you exactly what's happening. So the last email I sent was today. It says 453 open out of 9,000. I got 22 clicks and a click-through open rate 4.86% and click to send rate 0.24%. So it tracks it right there. So there's no reason to add click magic or any other different tracking, information inside your email body to be able to track your stuff, because it tracks it on your graph, and it also tracks it down here as well. And here's the perfect timing, let you know if you use perfect timing or not. And then affiliates right here, it shows everybody that you signed up. It shows, it's another video that pretty much he talks about the compensation plan. He talks about how you can market your business as well, and also shows you the breakdown of how the affiliate earns money by just pretty much adding people into the system and giving them value as well. So take a look at the compensation plan. It's good. It's a really, really good compensation plan where you can still earn an additional income just by using the system and referring the system to other people. Let them grow their business as well, because it's 2020 and it's time to grow your business today. So right below this video, once again, click on the link below this video to get started with my lead gen secrets. It shows you commission structure and your downline. So it shows everybody that you signed up and shows you all the commission you've earned in the system. Now let's see. And then the recommend advertising. This is an additional options here. It shows you that it does have additional recommended advertising things that you can use. He does talks about it, so you can watch this short video here that talks about additional ways of advertising your business. And it has a newspaper, a live and organic prospects, which is really good because it shows you how to do it organically, right? So you can watch this video right here that he talks about it, and twice confirmed traffic. So there's a couple of things in there that's added in that can help your business and can help you grow in 2020. And then also the account here is just pretty much your name and your address. You can change your profile and the support ticket as well. Let me go back here, support, which is important. If you have a question about support about your account, your affiliate, the leads you're getting in, let's say you're not getting leads you need to get in, you can go ahead and send a support ticket right here. You can type in the information. If I type in leads, it's going to bring up previous information that people's kind of talked about. And the system support is really, really good. I've used it a couple of times. My question got answered very immediately. I had a question about some leads that were coming in, and I definitely answered that question very, very fastly. So that's all I got for here for the My Lead Gen. I think it's a really, really good program, especially if you're brand new to the online business space. It's a way of growing your business, a way of getting 100 leads a day, 100 leads a day for only $30. So that's about what, 3,000 leads? And for $30, you can't beat that. And of course, when you get that first sale, it's 200 leads per day. So it's something to really work towards. Click on that link below this video to get started now. These leads are good. You just got to warm them up, give them the value on a daily basis, and then you'll start seeing some type of result. Results are not typical. I can't promise you. Results are not typical. I do have disclaimers below this video. It's not typical, but you will have the opportunity to go ahead and have success because you get leads every single day. So click on the link below this video to get started. There's a link right there to get signed up of getting your leads per day. And also don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe to this message if you believe somebody needs to hear this today in 2020. Click on the link below this video and I'll see you on the inside. I can't wait for you to start getting 100 or even 200 leads today in your business.